Bill, hurry up. We will be late for school.
Coming, Mom! Wait. What is that sound? Oh no, a little puppy. Are you hurt, little guy? He looks so scared, Mom.
Bill, come on. We need to go.
Just 1 minute, Mom. Look, this puppy is following me.
Bill, we don't have time. Leave it.
The puppy looks so hungry. Please, Mom, can I just feed it?
No time now. After school, okay?
But, Mom, what if he gets lost again? Okay, little puppy, wait for me here. I will come back, I promise. Bill, hurry! The bus is here. Wait, the puppy is still here. It walked all the way to school.
Bill, that is so far. Mom, can we keep him? Please?
I don't know, sweetie. We need to ask Dad first. Okay, get on the bus now.
Bye, puppy. I will see you later.
Bill, look behind us! The puppy is following the bus! Oh no, he cannot do that! It's too dangerous! Driver, please stop the bus! Little guy, go home. This is not safe for you. He won't listen, Mom.
He really likes you, Bill. Okay, we are late. Get inside, quickly. Bill, why are you looking out the window all day?
I am worried about the puppy, teacher.
Don't worry. Focus on your lesson now.
School is over. Let's go home, Bill. Wait, Mom! Look! He waited the whole day!
Oh my goodness. This puppy really loves you. Can we please keep him? Look how thin he is. We need to ask your father first, okay?
Yes, Mom. Thank you. Come on, little guy. Let's go home together. Dad! Look what I found!
A puppy? Where did this come from?
He followed me all day, Dad. Can we please keep him?
Bill, we don't know this dog. He could be sick.
He is not sick, Dad. He is just hungry. Please, Dad, I will take care of him every day.
Let me think about this tonight. Bill, you cannot keep him in your room. He misses his real home.
No, Dad, he has no home. Look at his fur, it's so dirty.
Get a towel. We need to clean him.
He's shaking, Dad. Is he cold?
It's okay. The water is warm. He will feel better soon.
Look, Dad, he's smiling now.
Dogs don't smile, Bill. Ha ha. Maybe you're right.
Dinner time, everyone. Wait, can the puppy eat with us?
Bill, dogs don't eat at the table.
Okay, I will feed him on the floor. He's so hungry, Mom. Poor little guy.
Someone must have left him outside.
That's so sad. Who would do that?
We don't know, sweetie, but he's safe with us now.
Dad, can we name him?
What name do you like?
I want to call him Lucky.
Lucky? That's a perfect name.
Lucky, do you like your new name? said yes!
Bill, it's getting late. Lucky needs to sleep outside tonight.
But Dad, he's scared of the dark. We don't have a bed for him yet.
Just for tonight, okay? Tomorrow we will buy everything he needs.
Okay, Dad. Good night, Lucky.
Bill, wake up! Wake up! Huh, Anna? What's wrong, Anna? Lucky is gone.
What? That's not possible! I checked outside, he's not there!
Oh no. Did someone take him? Mom! Dad! Lucky is missing!
What? We just got him yesterday.
We need to find him right now.
Lucky! Lucky, where are you? Lucky! Lucky, where are you?
Maybe he was scared alone outside.
This is my fault. I should have let him sleep inside.
Don't blame yourself, son. Let's find him together. Don't give up, Bill. He needs us right now.
Lucky, please come back. We have looked everywhere, Dad. Where could he be?
Don't give up, Bill. He needs us right now.
Wait, I hear something. It's coming from the park.
Hurry, everyone, this way!
Lucky, is that you? He's stuck under this fence. Hold on, boy. We're coming.
Careful, Bill. Don't pull too hard.
His leg is bleeding a little. We need to help him now. Dad, what do we do?
Stay calm. I will lift the fence slowly. Anna, hold his head still. 1, 2, 3, lift. Got it. He's free.
Oh, thank goodness. Lucky, are you okay?
He's okay, just a small cut. We need to clean this at home.
Come on, boy. Let's go home together.
There. All clean now. He won't run away again, right, Bill?
I will build him a real home today.
A home?
Yes, so he never feels scared or alone again.
That's a wonderful idea, son. Let's build it together.
Dad, this is so much fun!
We are a good team, Bill.
Finally, it's finished! Lucky, look!
He loves it, Mom. Look at his tail. Of course he does. He has a family now. Lucky, you will never be alone again. We promise.
Bill, I'm proud of you today. You took care of him like a real friend.
Thank you, Dad. I learned something important.
What did you learn, sweetie?
Every animal deserves love and a safe home.
That's exactly right, son.
And family means never giving up on each other.
Lucky, welcome to our family forever.
Goodbye, everyone. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories. Bye-bye.